If you feel like you are doing everything right but still aren't seeing results, you are probably executing marketing tactics before you actually have a marketing strategy. You are spending time and money running on a treadmill that is getting you nowhere. Tactics without a strategy just create noise. You might tweak your headlines, swap out images, or post 3 times a day, but without a foundational plan to guide those actions, you are simply guessing. Strategy is the plan that makes those actions work. To get real results, you need to build that foundation first. We are going to build a single-page document called the Marketing Master Plan, and it breaks down into 5 straightforward parts. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. We are going to build your strategy right now, step by step. By the end of this exercise, you will have the exact blueprint needed to stop relying on luck and start generating a predictable, repeatable stream of new customers. Step 1 is your model. Write down exactly what your business sells, how you price it, and the method you use to deliver it to your customers. Before you move to step 2, you must validate this model. Do your market research to guarantee you are selling something people actually want and are willing to pay for. Step 2 is the market. This is where you identify your people. If someone asks who your target market is, do not make the mistake of saying everyone. Instead, we're going to create an ideal customer avatar. To do this accurately, you need to define your audience across 3 distinct categories. First, establish the baseline details, demographics and geographics. Write down their specific age range, their income level, and exactly where they live, down to the specific city or state. Then outline the most crucial category, psychographics. You need to write down their attitudes, their values, and their core internal beliefs. You want to describe your target market better than they can describe themselves. Dialing in a highly specific avatar ensures you know exactly who you are speaking to, which saves you from burning your ad budget trying to reach a massive crowd of people who will never buy. Step 3 is your message. Now that you know exactly who your people are, you need to craft a marketing message that speaks directly to their specific struggles. A common trap here is trying to sell technical features. Customers do not buy features, they buy a result. You have to sell the transformation. Your message needs to paint a clear picture. Show them you understand the overwhelmed state they are in right now, and then show them the relaxed, confident outcome they will experience after your business solves their problem. Step 4 is media. Only after you have defined your message do you pick the specific channels and platforms you will use. Your choice is dictated entirely by where your avatar actually spends their time. Beginners often fall into shiny object syndrome by picking a platform first. Sinking your energy into a platform where none of your ideal customers are active will only drain your resources. For example, if your avatar is scrolling for lifestyle inspiration and relies on visual discovery, you place your message on a visual platform like Instagram. Delivering a highly relevant, transformational message on the exact platform your audience already frequents is what turns passive browsers into active buyers. Step 5 is the machine. This is the part that takes the manual work out of the process. It is a direct response system that runs quietly in the background of your business. This diagram shows a marketing funnel. It is a systematic, automated process designed to turn a eternal stranger into a loyal customer. The process starts by taking the attention you generated from a post or an ad and directing that traffic to an opt-in page, turning a casual viewer into a lead. Next, you nurture that lead. You send them through an automated email sequence that provides actionable value and builds a trusting relationship over time. Finally, you direct that nurtured lead toward a conversion tool. This could be a checkout page or a calendar booking that actually makes the sale. Think of this entire funnel like a vending machine. People put their attention in at the top, and a sale or a new client booking automatically dispenses at the bottom. Building this automated machine makes your revenue generation repeatable and scalable. That level of predictability is the exact difference between running a hobby and operating a true business. Take a look at the document in front of you. You now have a complete marketing master plan with your model, market, message, media, and machine fully defined. You have eliminated the guesswork from your daily operations. You know exactly who to talk to, what to say, and where to say it. To help you put this plan into practice immediately, check the link in the description. You can download the exact free templates and plug-and-play automations I use to build these campaigns. That link also includes a 30-day extended free trial of the marketing software you need to build the exact funnel machine we just outlined. When your foundation is locked in, executing the micro moves and daily tactics becomes easy. You are now set up to grow on autopilot.